My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Digibyte. The Digibyte currently the price is okay in the Digibyte. In this video I'm talking about the very special and urgent update of Digibyte. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you want to make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so for that click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. And if you have any type of question about Digibyte, so please tell me. I will try to answer your question, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends. As you can see at this time, live price of Digibyte DGB coin as 0.129797 USD dollar at this time price of the Digibyte DGB coin, friends. And friends, if you look, the price changes occur in the DGB coin. So the price change as only the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of these the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change as negative, friends. So what's the reason behind it, why the price change as negative, friends? In this video I will show you. Keep watch, friends. So let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding. As you can see here, the last one price change is negative, approximately a negative 10.34% changes occur. The price going down with a percentage of negative 10.34%. Absolutely, that's a very bad false of Digibyte. But don't worry. I think that at this time, if we look the currently the last 1 hour, the last hour's price changes occur in the Digibyte, so they are gradually move upward, friends. So I hope with the passage of time, Digibyte take a high pump, and that will give you the positive change occur and the price become high, friends. But unfortunately, if you look the previous time period, the previous change occur in the Digibyte, so as you know that the whole changes occur in the Digibyte is negative, friends. Now the currently situation, I think at this time the Digibyte is going good, because as I show you in the start of this video that the last 1 hour price change is positive. That's mean that the Digibyte is this time again take a jump, friends. So what's your prediction about Digibyte? My personally prediction is that I'm very happy, I'm very excited that the Digibyte big pump is coming soon, friends. My prediction is positive. That's mean my prediction is positive. What's your prediction? What's your opinion about Digibyte? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe every station for more this kind of news and updates.